Technocat. Are you filming? Hello, well, we just were walking down the street and we came across Technocat. Like, we haven't seen him for a while, like, because he's just some random cat that we found. And it's raining out, so we're going to keep him dry. See, Technocat is very nice. Aw, hello. He's on the other side. Oh, hello. We're reunited. Oh, this is a good moment. This moment will go down in history.